On this video, guys, I'm going to show you how you can make money with Pinterest. So how this business model works is that we are going to be promoting product or service, and if anyone use this product and they spend money on this product, we as the promoter, we are going to get paid. That is how this business model works, and that is how you can make money with Pinterest. So I hope you get the simple understanding. So let me take you to my computer and show you the product that we are going to promote and get a commission if we are able to promote this product to our own audience. So that is what I'm trying to let you know here. So let me take you now to my computer and show you how you can do this. So guys, as you can see on the screen here, before I take you to the Pinterest, let me show you the platform that we are going to promote today. And if we are able to make any sales on this platform, we are going to get paid by doing that. So that is what I'm going to show you on this video. So at the end of this video, you will now know how you can make money with Pinterest. So this is Opus Clips. This is a platform that allows you to cut your long form video into a short form video. There is a lot of demand on this software that you can see on the screen here, and a lot of people are looking for this tool to start using it, cutting their long form video into a short form video and publish it on multiple platforms. So that is the requirement, and that is the demand of this software that you can see on the screen here, which is called Opus Clips. So what we need to do now, we need to promote this product or service to the people that is in demand of this tool. So how can you make money from this tool, even if we promote it to people or promote it to our own audience? What we are going to do is to join their affiliate program. So affiliate is when you are promoting other companies' products, and if you are able to make any sales, you are going to get a commission. You are going to get paid by doing this. So that is affiliate. So what we need to do, we need to click on the part where it said we should become an affiliate. So once I click on become an affiliate, you are going to see say earn money as an Opus Clips affiliate partner. So that is what you have to do. So once you come here, you are going to see at the bottom here the part where it says earn cash. You will earn 25% recurring commission through the first year of you referring people to this program. So any new subscriber that you refer to this program, you are going to be earning money for complete 12 months, as long as you are the one that referred the person to this program. You are going to be making 25% recurring commission every single month to your bank account if you are able to refer anyone to this program. So now you'll see the amount of money you are going to make, and the next thing you have to do is to look at the pricing of Opus Clips. So click on pricing here, and it's going to show you the pricing of Opus Clips. This is going to help you to get the understanding that 25% or $15, you are going to calculate it and see the amount of money that you are going to make as an affiliate to Opus Clips. So $14, you are going to see the amount of money you are going to make as an affiliate to Opus Clip. The business plan, you need to calculate it to see the amount of money you can make to be an affiliate to this program. Now that you have the affiliate program that you want to promote, you already know the amount of money you are going to get to refer people to this program. The next thing you have to do now is to go and promote the product, which is using Pinterest to drive traffic to this tool and make money from it. So once you come to Pinterest here, if you don't have a Pinterest account, you can click on this video that's going to pop up right now. It's going to show you step by step how you can create your Pinterest account, personal account or business account. You are going to find them on this video. So let us come back to Pinterest. So once you come to Pinterest here, let us say you have created your account. What you need to do, you need to click on your profile. So once you click on your profile here, it's going to bring you to this page here. The next thing you have to do is to create your pin. Click on this plus icon and click on pin, not board, but pin. Click on pin, and it's going to pop this up. What you need to do is to create your image that you want to use on Pinterest. So to create your image, you need to come to this website, which is called Canva, to create your pin. You need to search for Pinterest pin, and it's going to pop this up. Just click on it and click on search. You are going to be seeing all these old templates that you can see on the screen here. You are going to pick any random one here, and once you have picked, let's just say you click on this one and you click on customize this template. is going to bring you here, and what you need to do, you need to design it, add in your images, add in fonts. If you want to change the color of the image, you can do all these old things on this platform. So you can just click on it, you can change the fonts. If you don't like the way it look, you can just click on that and make it bold, make it look different from what you are seeing here. You can just change everything. You can add in your own image. Let us say you want an image you want to add in. You can say like a video, and once you type in video, it's going to give you video editing icon. You can just remove this one and add in your own video editing just to relate to what you are trying to promote on Pinterest. So once you have edit everything, make it look exactly to what you want, you just need to click on save and click on save again. And here you are going to select if you want to remove the background, save it as PNG, save it as JPEG. You can do it as PDF. It just depends on how you want to save it, and you are good to go. But my preferable one is PNG. So that is the format that is the best to save any video from this platform, which is called Canva. So once you have your image, what you need to do is to go back to Pinterest here, click on the part where it says you should drag in your image. It says choose a file from or drag. So once you click on that, so we are going to use this image that I have saved, which is this one here, and I'm going to click on open. Now we have our image here. We are going to type in best video editor or AI solution to video editor. Just depend on what you want to write. And here you can just type. So I just type one stupid caption here, just add a very simple word here. If you are looking for how to turn long form video to short form, you can use this tool. Is the right solution for your problem. So that is it. And here we are going to enter our own affiliate link. So you need to go copy your affiliate link from Opus Clips and come and paste your affiliate link here. So once you are pasting your affiliate link here, you need to choose board. If you don't have a board, you can create one. Board or category, we can just type this board as video. Just type in that video solution. This is for me. You can type it for you, might be different. So I have select video solution as the category of this particular pin I'm trying to create on Pinterest. Here you can enter a tag. You can just type in video gaming. You can just type in video again. It's going to show you multiple options like video animation. You can just type in video editing software. You can just add in more tags that you have in mind. If you see here where it said you should tag a product, this is if you connected your WooCommerce website to this platform and you want to promote your product. That is when you can use this if you want. So once you have entered all these old things, you need to click on if you want to publish it now or if you want to publish it later. If you want to publish it now, you don't need to open this. But if you want to publish it later, like a schedule, you can click on schedule here. You can select the date you want this post to go live. And that day the post is going to go live automatically. But if you want it to go live instantly, we need to turn off this and click on publish, and it's going to be published directly. Don't forget that we didn't enter our own affiliate link. I'm going to show you two ways that you can do it. There is some platform, their link is very, very bad. And if you paste it on Pinterest, Pinterest might ban your account. So you will not be able to be posting your content on Pinterest. So the best option is for you to create a blog. So you create a blog on a particular website. You can use a website like bloggerspot.com. Create a blog about a particular product affiliate product you are trying to promote. Then you are going to copy the affiliate. You are going to copy that blog link that you have created and come and paste it here. I'll use, for example, my own website. Let us say, for example, you come to my website here, and let us say I am talking about this website which is called ManyChat, and this website ManyChat is the product that I'm trying to promote. I have already written a blog about this ManyChat. I will click on it and it's going to open up. This is just an example for you to get the understanding of what I'm talking about, because some of all those affiliate program, if you publish them on, if you put their link directly on that your Pinterest pin, you might get banned on Pinterest. So for you not to get banned, you need to do this so that you avoid all this banning and making your account not to work again. So this is now, let us use this one as an example. This is now the ManyChat tutorial blog that I've written, and all I need to do now is to copy the URL of this my ManyChat affiliate that I have joined, and I will go back now to Pinterest. I will paste in my affiliate link here. So now that I've pasted my affiliate link here, what I need to do now is to click on publish. And if I click on publish, this blog is going to go live. And anyone that visits this my pin, they are going to click on the URL. It's going to take them to this my website. So let me show you how it works. So now that we have set in everything that we need to set up on this page, we need to click on publish here. And as you can see, our pin is not live. We need to click on view. And this is how our pin look like. And when people are going to see this our pin, this is how it's going to look like. And all they need to do is to click on this area where it said visit site. And if I click on visit site, it's going to take them directly to this my website where I have written a blog about Opus clips, for example. And if they now say they want to start using this tool, they like what I have explained, they are going to click on this URL. And once they click on it, it's going to take them now to ManyChat. This is my ManyChat account. It just opened my own account directly because I have not logged out. But normally it's going to look like this. So when they click on my affiliate link now, it's going to take them here. And it's from here, they are going to click on here. And now it's going to take them now to ManyChat. So this is now the affiliate platform. And if they start using this software or this tool, and they start using the premium plan, because you need to promote a product that have a free plan and a premium plan, so that they can use the free plan. If they find it useful, they can move to premium plan. So that is the scenario of how you can make money with Pinterest. I hope you get the understanding of what I'm talking about here, guys. So we have come to the end of this video. I will say thank you very much. Only what I'm asking from you right now is for you to hit that like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you find this video helpful, and I want to hear your thoughts in the comment section. If you want to learn how you can make money with investing in S&P 500, you can watch this video that's going to pop up right now. I will see you guys on my next upcoming video. Peace and see you soon.